Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a first impression slash review on a foundation that recently came out. I want to say about a month ago. It finally hit stores my way. It took me 2 days to find this foundation. I literally was calling every drugstore, Walgreens, Rite Aid. Walgreens actually doesn't even carry physician's formula, which I did not know. So happy and glad that I was able to get my hands on this foundation. By the way, please let me know down below what you guys think of my audio. I did pick up a mic to improve my audio for you guys because you guys deserve to have great audio. Let me know if it's too loud. I'm not too sure. Once I finish filming this video, hopefully it turns out okay. So Physicians Formula came out with a nice foundation. I mean, you guys look at the packaging on this. So this has SPF 20, which is great. Sorry, it's already dirty. But as you guys can see, it has 1 fluid ounce. This is what it claims to do. It's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, dermatologist approved. It's clinically tested and cruelty-free, and it's vegan. So for those of you that are vegan, hey, this is your go-to foundation. Somewhat kind of heavy applicator in here. It kind of reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape because it has this kind of applicator and it's super thick. So I don't know how I feel about the applicator, but you know what? We're going to go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and spray some primer real quick. So I'm going to spray this baby on. So let's do this. So let's just do a couple of these. Okay. Hopefully it's my right color. So on my right side, I'm going to go ahead and use a brush. And on my left side, I'm going to go ahead and use a beauty blender. Let's just blend this out. Blending it, I can tell you guys right now that it's very lightweight. You can still see my imperfections low-key a little bit, which is fine because I'm going to go ahead and build it up anyway just to see. Actually, the color is not too bad. It is not too bad, I must say. I did pretty good with the color. As far as the smell goes, it smells like something sweet. It literally smells sweet. I'm going to add some more here. Add a second layer. Go ahead and blend this out, you guys. Now I feel like it's super natural looking. You can still kind of see some of my zits, but I believe it claims to be medium to full coverage, so we will find out. But this is the second layer. I think I'm gonna do a third layer just to see what happens. What it kind of smells like, it kind of smells like a caramel macchiato. That's what it kind of smells like, but minus the coffee. The third layer. Okay, this is a third layer. Your skin still peeps through. You can actually still see your skin, which I really, really like. And we're going to go ahead and pick up a beauty blender. And I'm also going to do 3 layers as well, just so it goes. As you guys can see, I have a couple redness and pimples. So we'll see how good it covers it with the beauty blender. Okay. Just bounce that back and forth. Okay. I'm digging it. Okay. That's the first layer. As you guys can see. Go on with the second layer. Okay, as you guys can see, it looks okay. I'm digging it. Okay, we're gonna add the third layer. Buffing out the third layer. It seriously smells like caramel, like something sweet, but the closest that I'm going to say to this foundation is that it smells like caramel. But that's just my opinion though. And you can still see your skin. It doesn't look cakey. So it's 6:13 right now. I'm going to check back in with you guys around 8 o'clock, 9-ish. Just so you guys can get an idea of how it would look after wearing it for a couple of hours. I know it's kind of late. Check back with you guys in a couple hours. Hey guys, so I'm back with the check-in. It is 9 o'clock. It looks pretty good still. I see a little bit of redness peeping through like under my nose area. It looks pretty good to me. I've had it on for about 2-3 hours now, so I feel that it's doing its job. I think it looks pretty good so far. It hasn't creased on me at all. It looks pretty darn good, I must say. I would rate this foundation a 9. I wouldn't give it a 10 just because I feel like I can still see redness like underneath my nose and whatnot. But rather than that, for 2-3 hours that I've had it on, I feel like it's done its job. It doesn't feel heavy on my face. It feels super lightweight. And I did hear that this is a dupe for the NARS Radiant Foundation. I'm looking for an affordable foundation, natural look, and it has SPF 20. Then you cannot beat it, and I totally recommend it. I give this a 9. So that is it for my first impression / review on the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. So if you guys would like to see more of these videos, if you guys have tried the foundation, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.